let's continue. Leetcode 75. Today we'll go over a couple of questions, 2 or 3 questions. I was thinking if we can go on to DP. So DP is dynamic programming. I kind of forgot the concept, like what it's about. So it's actually good to just practice. So what is DP, right? That is the first question. What is DP? Dynamic programming. From what I remember, DP is you're using the recursion, kind of like similar to backtracking. Yeah. So before we start, I'm just going to go over ChatGPT and ask, what is dynamic programming? DP is an algorithmic technique used to solve problems by breaking them down into simpler subproblems and storing the solutions of these subproblems to avoid redundant calculations. This method is particularly useful for optimization problems where the same subproblems recur multiple times. So the idea behind dynamic programming is overlapping subproblems and optimal substructure. The problem can be divided into subproblems that are reused multiple times. Optimal substructure, the solution to the main problem, can be construed efficiently from the solutions of its subproblems. Top-down approach, memoization, right? Yeah. So recursively break the problem down and so result of each subproblem, avoiding recomputation. Yep, that was my first approach or guess. Bottom-up approach is tabulation. Building up solutions to subproblems iteratively from the base cases. So example of Fibonacci, knapsack problem, longest common subsequences, shortest pass algorithm, matrix change multiplications. So okay, now that we kind of like have an idea that it's going to be recursive memorization if we're using top down, or from what it said about bottom up, so we use tabulation on that. So let's read the question. 1137 and Tribonacci number, not Fibonacci, Tribonacci. What is a Tribonacci, right? The Tribonacci sequence Tn is defined as follows: T0 is 0, T1 is 1, T2 is 1, Tn plus 3 equals to whatever it is for n greater than 0. Given n, return the value of Tn. Tribonacci. What is a Tribonacci number? Tribonacci number is so it's gonna be 1 1 2 and then what the fuck? Oops, sorry. Excuse my language. Recurrence equation. Tn equals Tn minus 1 plus Tn minus 2 plus Tn minus 3. First few terms. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 7, 13, 24, 44, 81, 149. This is prime Tribonacci. 2, 7, 13. Okay. So the equation is Tn equals Tn minus 1, Tn minus 2. What? Oh my god, I don't. Okay, hold on. Hold on. So let's see. T1 equals to 1. Kind of need a pen to make this better, but it's a want, not a need. So T3 equals to 2, right? So we got 1, 2, 3. And then let's see, T4 equals to n minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So T3 we got 2, right? 2 plus Tn minus 2. N is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So that's plus 1. And then n minus 3, which is 4 minus 3 equals to 1. So it's 1. So this is, we get 4. So first 4, 1 1 2 4, is that right? 1 1 1 2 4. Yep. Kind of seeing a pattern here. So if we have the number, can I input text? How do I add a text? Let's see if I can. So it's gonna be 0 1 1 2 4 7 13 24, for example. So that's enough, right? Let's say if E4, what is that? 1 2 3 4. This is 4 right here. So let's see, 5 6 7. So let's see, T7 equals to the last sum of the last 1 2 3. So 4 plus 7 plus 13, you get 24. Okay, so this becomes clear. Tribonacci means you're taking the last 3 of your Tribonacci number. So using the formula, whichever the last 3 index that we have. So using the first 3, we can create the next Tribonacci numbers. Okay, we get that. Alright, so let's set up a timer. Let's see how long it's gonna take me to do this. Let's see it. Input equals to 4, so we got T3 is 0 1 1 1. T4 is 1 1 2 4. So we need let Tribonacci means it's gonna be 0 1 1 2, like this. Right. So Tribonacci of 25. So I know that when we call Tribonacci with memoization, so for example, like result, that result equals to 0. And then each time that we go until if n equals to, and then we pass in the index. So index we pass in from 0, right? And then we call in the Tribonacci. We pass in the n that we want, and then we pass in the result. Plus equal something, and then we pass in index plus 1. So if index that we get equals to the n that we have. I just want to return the result. And then if not, I'm just going to keep Tribonacciing the next one into the line until I find this condition. I need to say result plus equals to the current. That's what I need to do. So I need a current as well then, right? But if you keep say calling res equals to 0, you know what I mean? If you keep calling that, it's going to become, it's going to keep resetting. That's my issue, is it not? So first res equals to 0, and then I equals to 0 first, and then current, right? We need the current, no? That current equals to Tribonacci 0 is 0. Tribonacci 1 is gonna be 1. So what is current? Current number is 0, right? And then you move on to the next. So how do I set the how do I start? We want to add the current. So if n equals to 0, I'm going to return 0. N equals to 1, that is a value that has to be given, no? 0, 1, 1. That is the first value that I have. So if we can just say this first, if n equals to 0, I want to return 0 if n less than equals to 0, 1, 2, return 1. As if n is less than or equals to 2, I just want to return 1. Now if n is greater than that, set the current equals to 2, right? And then you add res equals to, maybe, I don't know, bro. So this is my solution. Yeah, of course I'm not a genius. Expected 4, output is undefined. Need to find out what's happening first. So I just want to console.log n here. What is the n? And then index here. What is the index? I just want to see. I'm eating, by the way, so today is not sponsored by Costco. Eating some eggs, some bulgogi, and some salmon. Go. Okay. This is my way of debugging. Can judge all you want. This is my way. Result is 6 what? Zero, 2, 4. Wait, okay, hold on. Index is 0. Current is 2. What is current? What the heck? So we can just start with res equals to 0. If n equals to 0 less than 0, if n equals to 1, now 0, 1, 2, index at 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, so it has to be 2. This has to be starting at no, rest is going to be 4. The current is so okay, hold on. Index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, I need to say like, hey, the current number right now is the part where it has to just keep adding. Let me think. What the heck? 0, 1, 2. So first is 0, and then 1, and then 1. Okay, after your first one, you could just say current is 1, result plus 1. So 0, 1 is 1. So when you come into the next index, my current equals to my result. My result is the last 3 numbers. My result is the last 3 numbers. That's only the 3 numbers. So how do we keep track of that? So the next number is going to adding the last 3, so it's just 4. And then the next number is going to be 4 plus 2 plus 1. Oh my god, how do we do this? So So let result equals to, oh my god, bro, oh my god. Okay, actually, how long have we gone with this? 12 minutes. Take a deep breath. Okay, I think like I'm on to the right track with the index. And then I think I need to start with an array. I don't need current actually, because current is the result. So I'm just going to pass an array. Bingung ya? Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. So this base case, and then I'm going to say const dp equals to me going deeper into your problems, and this dp first we will put in current value within the index. We will put the n, and I will put the array. So we passed on to index base case for 0, 1, and 2. So 0, 1, 2, we're done. And array, we can start passing in this array 0, 1, 1. Can I start just with that? Because 0, 1, 2, this is already soft, right? And the current now is going to be 2. Okay, current is 2, index is at what? 5 plus 1. So this is going to be oh my god, I plus 1, and it's n, and array is going to be 0, 1, 1. Okay? And when we're calling this dp, the index is already at what? This is already 0, 1, and 2. So this is going to be 3. How do I do this, bro? I gotta pass in like I plus 1. But what is I though? Oh my god, this is confusing me. What the heck? How did I get the index to work earlier? What? So we're setting I equals to 0 and then I plus 1. Okay, I'm just gonna try. So in the DP, current minus equals to so in the DP, current minus equals array of I. So this has to be I. It's 2. If I is at what? 3. So let me work on I equals to 3. 0. 3 minus 1, 2. Why am I going? Oh my god. And at 4 minus 2. 0, 1, 2. 3, 4. 0. I have to add that one. For example, like if I'm here at 5, I need to add this, the current one. Oh, what the heck? So this current one is an addition of like, so we're minusing 1, but adding the current of the last one. Of the current. What? Oh my god. Jeepers. Current plus equals array or minus 1. Oh my god, I'm headache, bro. I'm like so headache. What the heck? And then I plus plus. I don't know, bro. This is crazy. If is it a bit go here? Okay. I is 3. Okay, I can see. I equals to n equals to 4. I feel like something is wrong because so I can try having like let I equals to 3 and then while I less than n, I want to do dp this, right? And then r plus plus, and then if I equals to n, I just want to return current, test it. So we're only looping it once. Why? Because this should be calling it once. I equals to 3, right? I plus plus. I equals to 4. So it could be have to be from here. Run the DP. Because I'm not seeing the DP running twice. It's only running once. That's the issue. It's not. So I think it should be that's n equals 2. Okay, I'm seeing it. Array that was current. Good, it's adding. The current is not adding it up. So the current is I minus 1. So I is 4 minus 1 is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Current equals to let me just say this. Okay, maybe just I minus 1 minus 2. Not a number. Because there was no number. But I equals to 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has to be minus 1. Oh my god. Headache. Headache. I 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is index at 3. You get that. But where you're index at 4, that means you need to have 0, 1, 2, 3. That's 2. I minus 2 equals to 1 and 1. So I actually need to look here. Console.log current here. And then we're pushing into the array. So I feel like current is 4 now. And we're pushing into the array. And then something in here actually. But I'm close. I'm really close. Something in here. Let's see. Okay, hold on. Because I need to run the if I equals to n, return current. What is 2? 2 is the I don't want that, right? Actually, right here. I is equals to 4. So this is after so why is it 0? Why is it not current as equals to 4? I got it here. So why is it not coming up? I don't get that. What the did I get 25? Where's the EP? We got that. Look at that. Why is it 0? It's a number. So why can't you return? Okay. And the thing is, here, 138, 9537. I got that. I returned this, right? So why is it not passing? What is crazy? What? I don't get it, bro. What? No, what's that? Like I said, like return current is a number. What? What the heck? What do you want me to do? I got it. Well, well, I'm making it entirely too difficult. Well, that made it so complicated. But also, like, I'm not giving up with my answer. Hold on. I'm not giving up just yet. Hold on. Maybe if I can do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just gonna say array of I. I already got it. It's my way. Hey, look at that. So that was good. It's rough. I mean, not the prettiest, but the idea is there. We don't have it's memoization, and then you don't have to do the computation repeatedly. So it's actually pretty good. So comparing this 52.9%, we'll see the other solution, right? Runtime is 74. Look at that. Memory is 99.5. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And that's so beautiful. Wow, I can analyze complexity. Wow, look at that. Amazing. So let's look into the solution. I think this is very, very fast as well. Yeah. This is big O of N as well. Which one is faster? Mine is faster. Look at that. Because he's using more memory in this case. What? Okay. Alright, so that was good. Oh, jeepers. How long did it take? 36 minutes for an easy dynamic programming question. Wow. Amazing. So I'm gonna take 5-minute break, and we're going to shop for just look around, you know, nothing serious. I'm not planning to buy. I just want to see. That's pretty. Hold on, this is pretty good. This one could be good. All right, so thumbs up. Let's do one more because we were struggling with the easy one. Okay, let's go over this one. 746 minimum cost climbing stairs. You're given an integer array cost where cost I is the cost of ith step on the staircase. Once you pay the cost, you can either climb 1 or 2 steps. You can either start from step 0 or step 1. Return the minimum cost to reach the top floor. Minimum cost to reach the top floor. Minimum. If I'm here, I can either take 1 step or 2 step. So what is top of the floor? Step, step, step. This is the top of the floor, I guess. Let's see this one. 1, 100, 1, 1, 100, 1, 1, 1. Wow. Output is 6. So you go into here or here. You could either start from 0 or from 1. That's the first thing. But also you need to see if sometimes it could be making more sense to take the first step, and then because it will be cheaper, right? But I will start from here, 2 step here, 2 step here, 2 step here, 1, 2, 1, 2. What? Here, 1, 2, 1 step, 1 step, 1, 2. Oh, you could take 1 step and then 2 step. Okay. What is the logic here? Do you need to look into the future or not? Or it's just based on which one is the cheapest? This is the cheapest. Next to which one is the cheapest? This is the cheapest. Next to which one is the cheapest? Either one is the same. If I take this, yeah, anyway, right? So start from 0. So start from 0. Look into stuff and next one. Pick cheaper. So 0 and 1. Which one is the cheaper? I'm the cheaper. So I'll take that. And then look into next and next step. Pick cheaper and move there. Add to rest. If 2 steps are the same price, pick the next step. And then how do you say you're at the top? If I'm here, I jump 0 and 1 step, 1 and 2 step. I'm not reached there yet. So if I'm here, +1. If I equals to n +1, or cos that length. So if I right here, I'm done. Return the cos. Okay. If I'm not trying to think too hard about DP and all that, right? Like, how would I do it? I would just brute force this and see what happens. I'm gonna say cos equals 0. Or let I equals 0, I less than plus that length, plus plus, and then in the first one you should look into 0 and 1. So I need to just pointer is equals to I. But here's the thing. You can either start from 0 or from 1. Okay, so I'm just gonna find out first. If cos 0 is less than cos 1, start equals to 0, else start equals to 1. And then here I equals to the start, whatever the cheapest one is. This is if we have that. We will have base case if there are no steps. If cos that length equals to 0, so return 0. If you need to take 2 steps, so you need to pick 1. Okay. Because I really start, I'm just gonna say cos plus equals to cos of the start. That's number 1. And then we look into the further, like, and then this has to be cos minus what? Because if we're at here, 1, 2. If I'm right here, okay, if I equals to cos that length minus 1 is here, minus 2. If I'm right there, I just want to return cost. Else if I equals to cos that length minus 1, yeah, if I is greater than equals to just return cost. But if cost that length minus 2 here, but if it's right here, then you keep continuing looking into the step. So I will look into future, look into 2 steps. So How do I look into next two? Cos I plus 1 and cos I plus 2. I plus 1, I plus 2. Okay, anyway. If cos I plus 1 is cheaper than or equals to the next one. No. If it's cheaper for sure, then we do that. If it's cheaper for sure, I do this. What do I do with this? I plus equals 1, and then I'm going to continue. Else, if this is the cheapest one, or if they're the same, so I need one that says as if they're the same, because that matters. If they're the same, I need to do I plus equals 2. What? Okay. And then I want to continue. And then it will do whatever it is just by looping. And then by the end, my cost is calculated and I got it. What is that? Cost. Oh. So cost is really there. So I'm just going to say sum. Cost equals to that sum. What? Okay, maybe I can't do this. It's not a number. Oh yeah. Actually, we got everything wrong. Cause yeah, you took a look at this. You don't want to take the 2 steps, but you want to take this and just go. Tap down DP. I want that, but in JavaScript.
Never leave your telephone, keeping all your days at home, but you and me, we're invincible. Never got the time of day to think about the words you say, but it's just principle. Won't you tell me I'm pretty for a little longer? But I've been selfish, I swear. Selfish, I swear. When you hold me, just hold me for a little longer. Hope this time I'll be there. What you want, try to breathe. Won't you
I don't get that.
tell me slowly? Time's all I want for your cause. I'm in need, so just tell me just why I care. Yeah, I tried to tell you I could break your heart, lacking reasoning for me to start, but you still wait in my line. Unconventional, I really know that, and you're waiting just to get a soul back. I care that you never find a way to be just like me. Won't you tell me I'm pretty for a little longer? But I've been selfish, I swear. When you hold me, just hold me for a little longer. Hope this time I'll be there.
So this one, I feel like this question is
Won't you tell me
you're rewriting
time's all I want
the array. So this is reflecting the final cost. Which one is the cheapest? So it's saying from the n, causal length minus 3. Causal length is 3 minus 3. I equals to what? 0. So if it's from 0, wow. I mean, that's very smart. But then this one, if we minus 3, what is minus 3 is 1, 2, 3. So from here, I'm just gonna find out plus minus. So I'm gonna minus here. Wow, I mean, it's very smart, but I wouldn't be able to come up with this on my own. You know what I mean? Or not yet. So I get it. I get the entire thing. Right, so let's try to rewrite that. So is this saying I want to look backwards, find the cheapest next two steps, and then replace array with those value. So for lat equals to causal length minus 3, I where equals to 0, I minus minus because we're tracking back. In here, plus I equals to math.min plus I plus 1 or cost I plus 2. And I just return math.min from cost 0 or cost 1. I'm missing something. Oh, plus equals. I need to find out DP solution here. So top-down DP with memoization. Minimum coming there. We got cost with cost.length. DP equals to new integer. Same thing. Min cost is finding the cost. This is very complicated, actually, the DP stuff. Represented with 100% confidence. Top-down dynamic programming approach solution. We can think of this as the build-up of a number of smaller subproblems starting at the end. Is this DP? So this is counted as DP, top-down memoization. There's no memoization. You're just like replacing the array. Is that really the top-down solution? DP is an array, and then you're just putting numbers into the array, whatever cost is. Math.min from. I see. But this is like bottom up, and this is top down. I get it. Well, that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll go over the next two DP questions. And then those gonna be medium Leetcode. But that's enough for today. Bye.